Let's learn how to upload high-quality videos on YouTube. If you want to upload videos in better quality but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. It's the same on both. When you open YouTube, make sure you are logged into the account from which you upload videos. Once YouTube is open, you will be on the home page, but you don't need to stay there. You need to go to the page that opens when you click on the U option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When that page opens, you will see several options, but you need to click on the Settings option, which is located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that option, a page with many options will open. For this tutorial, you need to click on the Upload option, which is located at the bottom of the page. When you click on that option, a page with two options will open. From those two options, you need to click on the first option, which is Upload Quality. When you click on that option, a page will open where you can choose the quality in which you want to upload videos. You can select the quality you want by clicking on it. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.